Hey everyone! This weekend we're camping at Rocky Drift, located in the province of Mpumalanga in South Africa. It's been raining a lot, but now the sun is up, as you can see. At the back you have my caravan. Here is just a gem hidden in the middle of the Elands Valley. We came here to run the Elands Marathon that happened this weekend. Yeah, it was a tough race, but that is a topic for another video. So let's have a look on what Rocky Drift has to offer. If you don't know me yet, my name is Rodrigo da Silva, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, okay, so you can get notified about the new videos. Well, this place is a gem hidden in the Elands Valley in the Mpumalanga province of South Africa. It's the second time that I come here. I spent one night already. It's been raining quite a lot. But this is it's a nice place to connect with nature. Very quiet. You have this water stream following through the property. Essentially, the property is a long road with chalets, with campsites. You have campsites facing the river and the ones by the mountain. Everywhere you look at here, it's just nature. Beautiful. Is the birds chirping. It's fantastic. I just had a chat with Quinton from Rocky Drift Maintenance. Let's see what he has to say. So I'm here with Quinton that works for the maintenance at the Rocky Drift, and he just told me that they have about 11 campsites, correct? The chalets, how many chalets you have?
Five chalets for now.
Okay.
And we're busy with another one. And yeah, then we want to develop more at the back.
What about this glamping tent here, just in front of us?
Yeah.
This is just a tent, but you have the bedding and everything in there, right?
Yeah, it's a bed and you've got a bathroom.
Ah, bathroom as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the bathroom is at the back. It's got a shower, toilet, everything. And yeah, it just doesn't have TV and stuff like that, but it's got a kettle, fridge, everything you need.
Yeah. And your recommendation for the chalets, you said unit 4, huh?
Yeah, unit 4 is a lacquer one because it's got the hot tub inside. So yeah, the new one we're building, we're also gonna put one in there. So yeah, then it will be 2. So yeah, and we're thinking of putting another tent as well. So yeah.
If the people that is watching us want to book accommodation here, they should go to your website.
To the website, or they can go to bookings.com.
Booking.com.
Yeah, there's another one, I can't remember it now. But yeah, bookings.com, or they just go to the Rocky Drift Private Nature Reserve, to the site, and they do everything there.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Cheers, yeah.
Coming from Joburg, it can take you about 3 to 4 hours depending where in Joburg you're coming from. It's a tar road all the way. When you get to the, just turn off to the right to get here coming from Joburg, There is a very narrow gravel road. Yesterday night when we were arriving, with the vegetation a bit overgrown on the sides and a lot of puddles, was a bit tricky, and some sharp bends, so coming with my caravan to come around here was a bit tricky. But yeah, we made it, so essentially any caravan can come to this place. Rocky Drift website is very complete and brings lots of information, including the activities. If you hover over this menu, you can find lots of activities like horse riding, fishing, museums, mountain biking, and hiking. For example, there are several distances that you can start hiking from Rocky Drift, like distances from 3 kilometers up until 12. In the garden here they have some turtles. They have a smaller ones and a bigger ones, which is nice. The kids enjoy it, and just looking at them is not very often that they find those tortoises. And this place is pet friendly. You should inquire with reception how that works, but I saw some people with little dogs, so animals, or dogs at least, are welcomed here. Last night, as a result of the rain, there was some power outage, but they do have an inverter and a generator that could keep up with the power. The campsites were not served by the generator full time, but we did have enough power to keep our fridge going. Rocky Drift only has one ablution block for the campers. It's just here on my left hand side. Quite nice. They have a gas geyser, so even when there is no power you can get hot water. They also have some unisex bathrooms which anyone can use, which is nice. They have a scullery area to do your dishes and etc. All in all quite a pleasant experience here, I must say, and I'm planning already to come back with more time when there is no marathon to run, like the Elands this Saturday. So yeah, enjoying very much the time here so far. Early hours in the Sunday morning, I had to put this jacket because it's a bit coldish at this time in the morning. From the skies, this place is even more beautiful. Nested in between mountains. You must come here to experience this place. It's really a good place where you can connect to nature. And I think one important thing for me is a very good thing. The cell phone connectivity here is very poor because of the mountains. So there is Wi-Fi by the restaurant area, but not on the campsite. You barely. Vodacom, there is zero. MTN a little bit, but very poor. You cannot really use it. Okay, but for me, that's a good thing. So you can then enjoy this beautiful place. See here in the background my caravan right here, and yeah, it is quite a pleasant place to be camping. I'm staying on the Eagle campsite here on my right. From this one down this road would be the better sites for you to book. Bear in mind that they don't have many sites, so yeah, book in advance, because you know your preferred option may not be available when you decide to come. One thing that I also want to mention, that they do have a restaurant they serve meals, etc. But especially for like a lunch and dinner, you have to book in advance, so they know that they have to prepare the meals for you, how many people, etc. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you can, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified about Banana Campers new videos. And I'll see you at the next campsite. Bye.